Winning hearts, the key to influence and affection. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and widely used English phrase, win someone's heart. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into cultural nuances of expression. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to win someone's heart and how you can use this phrase in your daily conversations. To win someone's heart means to gain someone's affection, love, or approval in a profound and meaningful way. It's about making someone feel deeply connected and positive towards you, whether in a romantic context, friendship, or even winning the approval of an audience or group. This phrase conveys a sense of achievement in earning someone's trust, respect, or love through one's actions, character, or charm. This phrase can be used in various contexts, and understanding its versatility will help you apply it accurately in your conversations. Here are a few examples. Romantic relationships. He won her heart with his kindness and sense of humor. Friendships. She won their hearts by always being there when they needed help. Professional and public life. The politician won the hearts of the voters with his honest and transparent campaign. Remember, winning someone's heart is a metaphorical expression that emphasizes emotional connection and affection rather than a literal victory. The concept of winning someone's heart is not unique to English-speaking cultures, but the way it's expressed can reveal a lot about societal values and emotional expression. In English, this phrase highlights the importance of personal qualities, actions, and emotional intelligence in forming strong, meaningful relationships. It's a testament to the value placed on empathy, kindness, and authenticity. Winning someone's heart is about genuine connections. Here are some tips. Be authentic. Authenticity resonates with people. Being true to yourself is key. Show empathy. Understanding and sharing the feelings of others can deeply connect you to them. Listen actively. Listening shows that you value the other person's thoughts and feelings. Be kind and considerate. Small acts of kindness and consideration can go a long way. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, win someone's heart. Whether it's through friendship, love, or making a positive impression, remember that the essence of winning hearts lies in authenticity, empathy, and kindness. Keep practicing your English, and don't forget to apply these insights in your daily interactions. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.